that is how the opportunities kept on building up. The entrepreneurship fire was always on and on and on, and that is how after Vibrant Goa in the first edition, second edition, I literally moved myself globally. I focused because I could feel that what India after 2014 from the Modi era, which is going up, it is literally seen that it's a red carpet for Indians to do any work, any business globally. And I just capitalized. Now today I have my presence with 11 products and in 16 countries. So starting from 750 rupees salary in my 1993s to today, a group which is a turnover of more than 30 crores.
No TV. TV came when I was almost 16-year-old in Goa. Mobile came when we were almost 25 years. Vehicles, we had very few vehicles in Goa. It came much later. There were vehicles, but they were limited. So all the services of car sales, mobile sales, TV sales and all came in the recent years. So new jobs were created. Today, in the age of technology, what is there today may not be there when you really start looking out for jobs or looking out for business. You still remember people used to go to ATMs, but now hardly anybody goes to ATM. Now your mobile is your ATM. Okay, so new roles, new job roles are created. So similarly, 7 years, 10 years down the line, there will be a lot of new jobs. You could have jobs in healthcare, you could have in environment, AI, IoT, sports, media, events, agriculture, in tourism, in water conservation, in you can say fashion, in yoga, in organic agriculture. So these are so many new avenues. Earlier we were only talking about being a doctor and being an engineer. But today there are hundreds of job opportunities and each one of you should see what is your liking. You should discuss with your parents, with your teachers, with somebody very close to you what you are good at and try to select that avenue. And when you take something which you like, you never get frustrated with it. You will always do the best. One more thing which I would like to suggest is think of a mentor. Mentor is somebody in your family, in your friend circle, in your relation whom you can really discuss freely, speak freely. Because many times what happens is if you want to do something, only when you speak to that mentor, that senior person who you have full trust, he will guide you. So I would request, it could even be your teacher in class. You try to speak to him or her about what you would like to do, and the feedback which you get from him or her will definitely help you.
नमस्ते. आयज आमी 26 एप्रिलाक आमचो एक प्रोग्राम जाल्लो. तो म्हटल्यार आमी फक्त ब्रीफ दिल्ले पूण जस्ट अबाउट लिडरशीप, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट बेसिकली. आमी खूब फॅकल्टी आपयल्ली. मनोज पाटील सर, देन रायन वाज, मागीर अरमान बांकले सर, मागीर प्रवीण सबनेस सर, तांकां सगळ्यांक आपयले. भुरग्यांक सुद्दां भुरग्यांनी सुद्दां खूब बरो फीडबॅक दिल्लो आसा आमकां. सो आमी आमचो मेन प्रोग्राम आसलो 3 दिसांचो 8, 9, 10. तो म्हटल्यार स्पार्क टँक. थंय आमी प्रॉपर फूल कोर्स सांगतली तांकां अबाउट लिडरशीप, ऑन्टरप्रिनरशीप एंड पर्सनॅलिटी डेव्हलपमेंट. थंय आमी जस्ट लेक्चर्स दिवची ना, तर म्हटल्यार आमी तांकां कशें आपल्याक स्वताक पेच करप, आपली आयडिया कशी दुसऱ्यांक एक्सप्रेस करप आसता तें सगळें शिकयतली. पर्पज म्हटल्यार हांवें खूब अशा भुरग्यांक पळयल्या जेंचे कडेन बऱ्यो आयडियाज आसता, बऱ्यो इनोवेटीव कितें तरी ते करूंक सोदता, पूण खंय तरी ते मातशे फाटीं उरता, खंय तरी तो मातसो कॉन्फिडन्स लॅक करता. पूण तो लँग्वेजी खातीर न्हू, तेच मातशें खंय तरी भंय उरता, आपल्याक खंय तरी मातशें हें उरता. सो तेच आमी त्या भुरग्यांक फुडें हाडपा खातीर हो प्रोग्राम ऑर्गनायज केल्लो आसा.
आमचो 26 तारीख जाल्लो तो प्रोग्रामाक ऑलमोस्ट 400 स्टुडंट्स आसले. सो भरपूर आमकां बरें मेळ्ळें, सगळ्यांचे फीडबॅक्स बरे मेळ्ळे. एंड आतां आमचो नेक्स्ट इव्हेंट जातलो तो 8, 9, 10 मेक. सो ताका आमी फक्त 30 स्टुडंट्स घेतले. सो आतां आमकां भरपूर भुरग्यांनी हात वयर केला आमी येतले म्हणून. सो आमी इंट्रस्टेड आसा. सो आमी चड भुरगे जाले जाल्यार कोण अशें एक बारीकसो इंटरव्यू कसो घेतले जावं तांचे हे घेतले, म्हणजे खरेंच बाबा भुरग्यां भितर आयडिया आसा, कितें आसा भितर कॅपेबिलिटी आसा जाल्यारच आमी तांकां अशें सीट दितले. आनी कोणाक जर मेळूंक ना जाल्यार आमी आनीक करपाचें आसा. जर भरपूर भुरगे जाले जाल्यार सेकंड बॅच आमची ती मागीर आसतली. सो कोणें कितें जालें जाल्यार वायट धरचें न्ही की आनीक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आसा तुमकां.
8-9-10 मेक आमचो प्रोग्राम आसतलो स्पार्क टँक. थंय आमी लिडरशीप, एंटरप्रिनरशीप आनी पर्सनॅलिटी डेवलपमेंट हे तांकां इन ब्रीफ इन डिटेल एक्सप्लेन करतले तांकां. आनी तो भुरग्यांनी सेशन म्हणजे वर्कशॉप असो समजून घेवचो न्ही की कोण तरी येतलो स्पीच दितलो आमकां वाज येतलो अशें जावचें ना. तुमकां गेम्स खेळयतले, तुमच्या कडल्यान एक्टिविटीज करून घेतले आनी तुमकां बरें इनवॉल्व दवरतले. तुमकां सुद्दां मजा येतली आनी तुमकां नवीन कितें तरी बरें शिकूंक मेळटलें. तुमकां इन केस जर अशें आमी खुबशे आमीच पळयलां की आमी खूब कितें गजाली केल्ल्यो आसता, आमच्या कडेन भरपूर आयडियाज आसता, पूण आमकां कित्याक तरी कारणा खातीर मनान एक भंय उरता बाबा कोण कितें म्हणीत, कोण कितें जायत. सो आमी ते फुडें काडूंक पावना, फुडें सरूंक पावना. सो ताच्या खातीर हो एक तुमकां बरो प्लॅटफॉर्म आसा. सो तुमी हातून रजिस्टर करचें आनी तुमकां एक बरी संद मेळटा की आपली आयडियाज भायर काडपाची आनी स्वताक डेवलप करपाची.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.